What is happening, everybody? Thanks for checking in again. I've been seeing a lot of videos on the internet now that I've kind of been searching and putting some videos myself out there of doors that are pre-hung jamb doors being installed in 7.5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So I wanted to get the chance to do it my way, time myself to see what it's going to take to get this door in the hole and finish. Now the only exception is I'm also going to be putting casing on both sides. So this door will be done 100% for the painter to come in the same time that I've been seeing other people just put in the door, but they haven't put any casing on it at all. So let's see what I can do here. Maybe a new world record. Cross my fingers. Hey, by the way, I'm Hunter. Thanks for checking in. Hammer that like button, subscribe to the channel. We're having fun here and we're just starting up. 10, 11 videos and there's gonna be so many more to come. So let's see what we can do and see if we can beat the time. All right. So 3, 2, 1, go. All right, getting the header up. I already centered it with my eyeballs. Get that up there. Gun to the side, casing, glue, just a little dab of glue on the casing. Back up to the side. So we're case hanging this door, guys. Case hanging. 1, 2, one at each top and bottom of the hinge, in the middle, one at the top and bottom of the hinge, middle, top and bottom. Come back up to the side, you won't see it. Lean it against the wall. Other side. Casing the door. Getting a shot in the side. All right, one side casing done. Got to get my switch to the other gun. Got to get the 3 nails out the side. There's 1, 2, 3 nails that hold the jamb. Got to get the door into the hole now. Into the hole nicely. Just level over here on the 3 hinges. Get the door on the ground. Get it level. Look at your reveal. It's looking pretty great right now. 2 shots at the hinges. Level off to the side. 1, 2. Reveals. Checking reveals. Nail the casing. Make it look good. Hold the casing while you're shooting. Flex it, make it look good. Tap it over. This is how I get 30 plus doors done in a day, guys. Now we're coming back out, levels out. Now we need to shim it, guys. So we get a handful of shims. And now we need to shim it. Now the shims need to go in there pretty nicely. They need to be snug. Can't flex the jamb though. So it's kind of a game here, and I've pre-cut them already for what I do. Pre-cut them to about 3.5, 4 inches. You just gotta shim it so it's nice and tight. Mark it. If I get it behind, let's see here, small shim, get it in. Come on my way up, work it in, don't flex the jamb. Oh, I can get that one all the way in. Mark it out so I know where I'm shooting next. Push that in, mark it out so I know where I'm shooting next. It's tight. Shim's over, guys. Shut the door. Let's check the reveal. We're hitting at the top, open at the bottom. Tap this over a little bit. 3 shots right now. Gotta flex this over a little bit. Flex the bottom with my toe. Hold it into place. Shoot the door stop. Shoot the door stop. Tap this over just a little bit so it's hitting all the way up. Shoot through the door stop. This side's good now, guys. All through the shims. Every shot through the shims. Knock those shims off. Get that clear. Get that clear. Get that clear. Switch guns. Get out your 1.25 inch back to the casing. Case this side, eyeball the center, get your reveal. Uh-oh, we're getting close. We are getting so close, guys. Get glue on the miter. Being one. Okay, let's go to one side. That miter looking pretty. 2 shots, double tap the corner. Work your way down. Out of nails, reload bullets. Drop the bullets on the floor too. One at the top. Hold that miter together. This side. Get that in there. Shot. Shot. Keep going. I'm about to switch guns here for my final shots. Switch guns. Plenty of bullets. Hold the casing. Hold the casing. Wipe the glue. Work my way down. And time. Set that down. Guys, the door's in. I don't know the time yet. Hold on. Door's hitting beautifully on. It's not ghosting. We know we leveled it. What's my time, Brian? Show me, bro. Show me. Woo! 4:54, baby. Under 5 minutes, guys. Glued miters and everything. Doors in. Solid. It's ready to be painted. So if you guys like that, oh man, my enthusiasm and my adrenaline was pumping for that. But hammer that like button, subscribe. I'm going to come out with a video very soon of everything that went through my head that got me to install this the way I do. And for me to get 30+ doors done in a single day. That's it, guys. We're out.